If you're tired of looking down and seeing aged skin on your hands, our hands are one of the first to show signs of aging because they're constantly being washed and they're always exposed to the elements. Now we have a solution. Our hands are often neglected in our skincare routines. Be sure to watch till the end for a graphic that tells you all of the benefits of this great product. That's exactly where LifeCell Retinol comes into play. It's a medical grade solution designed to target imperfections while you sleep. The advanced formula combines two of the most powerful dermatological ingredients available today: pure retinol to accelerate cellular turnover and vitamin C to visibly brighten hyperpigmentation and even out your skin tone. Together they work during your body's natural nighttime repair cycle to build elasticity and smooth out the crepey texture that makes hands look older than they really are. This was provided for me for my honest opinion, and I really like it.